I finally got my hands on the new GHD Chronos. This is the Professional HD Motion Responsive Styler. This is a 1-inch flat iron. I'm very lucky that this was gifted to me by GHD, but you guys already know this video is not sponsored. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys, and we're just gonna try it out. This retails for $325, and we are gonna straighten my hair straight from my curly hair. So I know you guys love seeing like that drastic before and after. I usually would like blow out my hair first and then straighten it, but you know, we gotta try it out like this too, because I feel like that's how you really put the hair tool to the test. So I'm gonna unbox this and we're gonna talk about some of the features before I get into it. But this is supposed to give you 3 times faster styling for one stroke high definition results that last up to 24 hours. I'm just reading off of their website. You're supposed to get 85% more shine, up to 2 times less frizz, 3 times more breakage protection, and high definition curling from the root. So I'm definitely gonna do some curls, so you guys will see what that's gonna look like also in a little bit. I'm so excited to film this video. I love trying out new hair tools. I love it. It can get a little expensive sometimes, so that's why I love it when brands are able to send some of the hair tools for me to try out, because I just really love it. It's just so much fun. So thank you so much, GHD, for sending this to me. Wow, this looks crazy. Okay, so let's take this off. Wow, very nice. It looks so much like the Platinum Plus, but I mean the plates look a little bit different. So you know what, let me grab my Platinum Plus and my GHD Max so you guys can see them side by side. So the GHD Platinum Plus, this is an OG kind of. It's definitely a very good straightener, and the plates are a little bit different. As you can see, this is the new one, this is the Platinum Plus. This one is like more like curved on the top, and it looks a little bit smaller as well. The Platinum Plus is more like squared looking. And then the size is pretty much the same as well. Comparing it to the GHD Max, this one is definitely bigger. As you can see, this is like a 2-inch. So it's definitely a little bit bigger, and the plates on the Max are very squared. And I'm gonna put a timestamp here if you guys just want to skip right to when I start straightening my hair, but I really like giving you guys all the details. So so this is the Max. As you can see, it's very squared, so it's gonna give you more of a wave if you want to curl your hair. But this one, oh my god, I'm sure this is gonna give you beautiful bouncy curls. I can't wait to do curls with this straightener. Woo. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of heat protection. This is warming up. It is actually ready to go. That was very fast, like 10 seconds. This is the IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. Just gonna add that on my hair. I used a little bit of this. This is the Pureology Color Fanatic 21 Essential Benefits Spray. So this is like a prepping spray that I added on like wet hair, and I just dried my hair with a diffuser. So now I'm gonna straighten it. So I'm just going to divide my hair right in the middle. I have a lot of hair, so I'm gonna take pretty small sections. I am gonna time it though to see how long it takes me to do all my hair. I don't know how people straighten their hair straight from curly hair like this, because for me it's just so much harder. Like I'd rather just blow it out and then just straighten it a little bit with the straightener. Make sure that your hair is completely dry before straightening your hair. Okay, so let's do the first section. Going to make sure that I detangle my hair super well. Okay. Let's see how it looks after one pass. Oh wow, that was actually really good. Like it's almost completely straight after one pass. That's pretty crazy. Okay, let's do another one because I feel like it needs at least another pass, maybe 2. Okay. Doing it very slowly. Wow. That's it. That's all I need. 2 passes. Look at that. I don't even have to do another pass. It's very straight. Yeah, it looks very nice. So let's just keep doing my hair. Wow. Look at that. One pass. I think this section was too big. Let's do another one. Okay. Yeah, that's 2 passes. Very, very nice and straight. So I'm going to start the timer because I know that this is going to be a pretty long process because I'm straightening my hair straight from curly hair, and that usually takes me at least 45 minutes. So let's see how long it takes me to straighten all my hair. But I mean, so far it is quicker than other straighteners. So I'm going to continue to do the rest of my hair and I'll be back with the final look. So far this is really straightening my hair super well. And it is very gentle on my curls. Like, it doesn't feel like it's pulling my hair or anything, and I really like it so far. I can't wait to do the curls. I feel like that's what's really gonna make it like super unique, just the curls that I'm gonna get from this, because of the plates. They're more like curved, so I really like that. Like, they have a more like round shape to them, which is cool. So I think I'm gonna get very nice bouncy curls with this hair tool, but so far it is giving me very nice results. You really can't go wrong with GHD hair tools. They are really good quality, but I'm not just saying that just to say that, because I have purchased a lot of GHD hair tools with my own money. Actually, most of them I have purchased them and I really like them, and yeah, I use them a lot. So yeah, GHD has really, really good quality hair tools. I haven't tried their curling irons, so maybe that'll be next. Maybe I'll get that next. I might buy it during a sale or something because they are kind of pricey, but I do want to try their curling irons. I've heard really good things about their curling irons and I've seen a lot of professionals use them, so I might get that next. But yeah, you cannot go wrong with GHD hair tools. They're just so good. And I like that they're unique. Like, they have their own patent, their own designs. They are very unique hair tools that you literally cannot find anywhere else. They come up with all the innovative ideas. So yeah, GHD is next level. They really are next level. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like after straightening it. It took me 51 minutes to do all my hair, which is not bad at all because it usually takes me about an hour to do my hair anyways. I really like the results. This straightened my hair very quickly, and I do like the shine. I feel like it looks super, super sleek. I mean, I'm just gonna insert a video up here so you guys can see how curly and big my hair was in the beginning of this video. So going from that to this with a straightener is not bad at all. I mean, I really do like the results. I think the GHD Chronos is so worth it, and I really did like it. I am definitely gonna use it again, but I'm actually gonna do some curls. But first, I do want to add a little bit of oil to my hair, just because I always add some type of oil after a blowout, after I straighten my hair, to make everything more smooth. So I'm going to use my go-to, the Olaplex number 7 Bonding Oil. This is really going to make everything a lot more smooth. I'm going to bring down some of these flyaways. You always got to finish your blowouts with an oil. I mean, at least a little bit. It just really gives your hair like the final touch. So I'm going to take a small section, flip the hair tool, bring the hair back, hold the hair, and very slowly bring this down. Let's see what curl I can get. Oh, very nice. Wow, very nice. It's like a very soft, bouncy blowout curl. Look at that. The curl actually looks very shiny. I really like that. That is so pretty. Let me do another one right next to it in the front right here. Let's see. Okay, I might do that to all my hair. Oh wow, that's so pretty. I love that. Let me do this one right here. I'm probably gonna end up curling all my hair, but this is a nice straightener if you want a very sleek look, and also if you want curls. So this is a very nice like all-in-one straightener. I love that. Sometimes I don't like curling my hair with straighteners because I get like little lines and dents on my hair and it just doesn't look natural. It doesn't look nice. But these curls look like blowout curls almost. They look super bouncy, very soft. I just feel like they look very, very nice. I like the plates for curls as well. So yeah, this is definitely a straightener that I would use to curl my hair as well. There's some straighteners that I just can't use to curl my hair because they don't give me the nicest curls, but this one is definitely definitely one that I can see myself using for curling my hair as well. So very, very nice straightener, very nice straightener. So these are the curls that I got. I really, really like it. I feel like I like this more than when my hair is straight, just because I prefer a little bit more bounce volume, like I said. So yeah, I'm just gonna zhuzh it up a little bit. I feel like this straightener gives you very nice curls as well. So if you want to use it for straightening your hair or curling it, either way, I feel like you're gonna get very nice results. But yeah guys, that is it for this video. Let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on this hair tool, and I'm going to be linking this down below if you guys want to check it out. Also, let me know if you want me to compare this to another hair tool, maybe the GHD Max or any other straightener. But yeah, overall a really good hair tool, and I can't wait to keep using it. I'm definitely going to keep playing with it. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much.